Hi guys, welcome to the channel, The Introverted Beauty. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, for today's video, I will be trying out the new, I guess I could still call it new, but I'll say the new Juvia's Place quad in the Rebel Grays. And this is what the unit carton looks like. And this is the inside, and this is the look that I came up with using this palette. I must say I really did enjoy using this. I wish it was more mattes in it because there's only one matte shade, but then I had to remember like it's only 4 colors in the palette. So but I think I would prefer 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. But this is the look that I created, and if you would like to see how I created this look, then you definitely have to stay tuned and keep on watching. But before we get into the video, I will give you some time. As always, you subscribe, so let me give you some time. Let's talk about this glitter that I have like under my brow bone, and just made my highlight pop even more. But yes guys, now that you've had time to subscribe, let's get on into the video. All right guys, so let's jump in. So for this video, I am super excited because I've been wanting to try these for the longest, but I only picked up one, and of course that's the Juvia's Place, the Rebel Grays palette. I wanted this, and I believe it was I wanted all of them except for the neutral. So it was the mint and I believe the green color. But I got the gray because I wanted to try out the nice silver shades. But this is what the inside of the palette looks like. And let's look at the artwork, because I love Juvia's Place's artwork. Is really, really cute all the time. But this is what the palette looks like. The top one is a little patchy, but I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush. What am I saying? All right, so we're gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into the only matte shade, which is the gray. If this palette is amazing, most Juvia's Place palettes are. I don't think I have any complaints about Juvia's Place makeup actually at all. But if this palette is amazing quality like the others, I am gonna go back probably for the green. For the green one. Yep. Look how pigmented it is. If you hear a bunch of noises, that's because my baby's over here. I don't know what he's doing. He's just hanging out. We're hanging out doing makeup. And I'm just gonna blend out the edges with a clean brush. No added product of any sort, just so that I don't have any harsh lines. So with this palette, you don't really get much options because you only get one matte shade. So I'm not really sure what to put in the crease, because I use that gray for a transition. So I'm gonna go in with this shade here, which is not as shimmery as the others. I'm gonna just place that in the crease line and see how this works. All right, this is what it's looking like so far with the 2 shades. Okay, let's go in with a flat brush and just put this silver shade all over the lid. Okay, so this is what the eyes are looking like so far. A disaster, right? But you know, we all trust the process. Okay, so for my lower lash, I'm going to take the matte shade with a little smudgy brush. It's not a smudger brush, but a small brush. And I'm gonna run that along the lower lash line. All right, and so next what I'm gonna do is go with the same shimmer, and I'm gonna put that under as well. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go in with this the other shimmer shade, which is this, and put it in my inner corner. That look crazy. And I want to highlight my brow with it. You know, put some up there and then go back and blend. Alright, so what do you think about the eye look so far? So I have a few more Juvia's Place products that I wanted to use in this video, because I figured, like, if I'm going to use it for my eyes, let's just pull out a few more products and then just, you know, like, use it on my face. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to hop off and I'm going to do my foundation and my concealer and everything, and then I'll come back on when it's time to use the other products, which will be to contour, to bronze, and to blush. Maybe even lip, but I'll be right back. Okay, so I know I said I was going to come back on and show you the other products that I was going to use as I was applying them, but I forgot. So I decided to hop on. I still have my lip product that I want to use, but I wanted to show you guys the other products that I applied while I was, you know, away from the camera. So I use this, the Queen palette, the Fumi palette, and I use the red shade for the blush. That's what the blush I have on now. And I use the bronze palette in dark, the shade here, to bronze. And I also used the stick foundation because this is what I use to contour. And this is in the shade Katsina. And so I contour with this, bronze with the bronze palette, and then I use the Fumi palette for the blush. And this is, you know, what I came up with. Those were the only Juvia's Place products that I used. I'm not even sure if this lip will match because of the silver, but this is what we're putting on. And this is in the shade Nefertiti. And I got this in a Juvia's Place mystery box. Actually, this and this, I believe, came in the mystery bag together. So yes, guys, this is a final look using the Juvia's Place's the Rebel Grace palette. So if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. Make sure before you leave, you smash that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up. And until the next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.